Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create a group in Instagram. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the top right icon, messenger icon. Click on this messenger icon. After clicking on this messenger icon, you can see again in the same place plus icon. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see it will show you your friends and followers, but you can also search for your friends and followers in the top search bar, just like I'm searching for. After searching, you can add them, but you can also add them from the list. After adding your friends, you can see in the top right chat icon. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see the group is created. Now you need to just type hi. After typing hi, you can see the group is created. You can also name this group. In the top, name this group icon. Just like I'm giving a name, you can name this group. After naming this group, you can see the group is created. Guys, this is how can you create a group in Instagram. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.